are better.
No, dogs are better.
This is my best friend Shutters, and he loves dogs. But I think cats are way better.
So today we're gonna figure out which one is better. Level 1, who listens better?
Sit. Sit, boy. Roll over.
Sit, kitty. Sit, kitty. Kitty. Level 2, who is cuter?
Marshmallow is the cutest thing in the entire world. Way cuter than some cats. Isn't that right, buddy?
Nothing's cuter than this. Who's the good kitty? Level 3, who is more loving?
He's so loving. It doesn't get any more loving than this.
Oh my gosh, listen to him purr. And finally, like if you think cats are better.
And subscribe if you think dogs are better.